Have you ever wondered how the delicious raspberries you enjoy are produced? Let's explore the fascinating journey from the fields to your table, following every step in a large-scale factory setting. The process of harvesting raspberries begins when the berries reach full ripeness, displaying a rich red color and sweet, juicy flavor, typically in late June or early July. A specialized harvester is used, driving over the raspberry rows and gently shaking the bushes with plastic spikes. This action carefully loosens the ripe berries while leaving the unripe ones on the plants. As the ripe raspberries fall, they are collected by the harvester and move onto a conveyor belt, where workers swiftly remove any leaves or debris. The raspberries are then placed into plastic trays known as flats, which are designed to prevent the berries from being crushed. Once the harvester completes a row, the flats are loaded onto a truck for rapid transport to the processing facility. To maintain the raspberries' freshness and quality, they are cooled within hours of harvesting, ensuring they remain plump and flavorful. After harvesting, the raspberries are promptly transported to the processing facility to begin the initial inspection and cleaning process. Upon arrival, the flats of raspberries are carefully unloaded using a crane and placed onto a conveyor belt. These flats are then emptied by a machine that transfers the raspberries onto another conveyor belt, which carries them into the production area. The emptied flats are thoroughly washed and sanitized, preparing them for reuse in future harvests. Once inside the facility, the raspberries undergo a meticulous cleaning process. They are gently washed with cool water from a spray bar, effectively removing any dirt or residue accumulated during harvesting. This washing process is handled with great care to prevent bruising the delicate berries. As the raspberries travel along the conveyor belt, workers closely inspect them, removing any damaged berries, mold, or stems that may have been missed earlier. Following the manual inspection, the raspberries pass through a magnet test, designed to detect and remove any metallic contaminants that could have accidentally entered the batch. This thorough inspection and cleaning process ensures that only the highest quality raspberries proceed to the next stage. Within just 2 to 3 hours of processing, the cleaned raspberries are quickly frozen, preserving their fresh flavor and quality for consumers. After the initial inspection and cleaning, the raspberries are readied for the individual quick frozen process, which is key to preserving their freshness and quality. The berries are first sent through a freezing tunnel, where they are rapidly frozen to maintain their texture and flavor. Given their delicate nature, raspberries require special attention during this step to prevent them from crumbling. Before entering the freezing tunnel, the raspberries undergo a careful manual sorting by workers to ensure that only the highest quality berries proceed. This meticulous sorting is crucial for producing a top-notch final product. Since raspberries are notoriously difficult to freeze due to their fragility, a combination of sorters, shakers, and inspectors is used to guarantee that only the best berries make it through the process. After being sorted, graded, and passing rigorous quality control inspections, the raspberries are funneled into carton boxes lined with protective plastic. Once these boxes are filled, they are transported along a conveyor belt to be sealed by workers and then stacked onto pallets. These pallets are then prepared for shipment, ensuring that the raspberries retain their freshness and quality as they make their way to consumers around the world. So there you have it, the fascinating journey from the fields to the perfectly packaged raspberries we all love. If you enjoyed learning about this process, be sure to watch our next video on how blackberries make their way from farm to table. Both raspberries and blackberries offer unique insights into the world of fruit production, and you won't want to miss it.